Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses program. In this video we are going to learn SBI Asha Scholarship is providing the up to 15 lakh SBI Asha Scholarship for the session 2026 to 2027. This is the free online apply for school, UG, PG, IIT, IIM and medical and other areas studies. So there is a from 15,000 to 15 lakh per year and simple and easy online process. So this is a free online apply for open for all eligible student. Apply now and secure your future. So India's biggest scholarship program. So we'll go through the step by step process. So here SBI Foundation Asha Scholarship 2026 to 2027 and Platinum Jubilee Scholarship. The SBI Foundation Asha Scholarship 2026 to 2027 is a major scholarship initiative by Asha SBI Foundation, the CSR arm of the State Bank of India. The program supports meritorious students from the economy weaker backgrounds across multiple education category. So scholarship amount is from 15,000 to 15 lakh per year. Scholarship category and maximum amount. So for the class 9 to 12 up to 15,000 per year. Undergraduate graduate for top NIRF colleges up to 75,000 per year. Postgraduate up to 2 lakh 50,000 per year, medical and MBBS up to 4 lakh 50,000 per year, IIT student up to 2 lakh per year, IIM student up to 5 lakh per year, and other areas student for the SC and ST up to 15 lakh per year. So eligibility criteria is that Indian student from an economy weaker background. Family income limit depend on the scholarship category. Generally, maximum 75 marks and 7.0 CGPA is required. 10% relaxation is available for STSC application. Applicant must be enrolled in the eligible institute and category. So this application process is free, completely online. Applicant need to create an account, complete their profile, select the appropriate scholarship category, fill in the application form, upload required document and submit the application online. Offline uh, official scholarship website is this. So we'll go through this. There is a term and conditions, you have to follow this one. Always check the official website for the latest eligibility criteria, application date, required documents, category specific conditions and other updates before applying. So we'll go through the step by process on the SBI ASA scholarship. So let me open this. So when we'll open, we'll find this page. So this is the SBI Foundation, SBI Asha Scholarship. So SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2026. About the program, so the Platinum Jubilee 2026 to 2027. The SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship is the one of the India's largest scholarship initiatives supporting meritorious students from economy weaker background in from class 9 to all the way to study abroad. It ensures the financial challenges never hinder access to quality education. So this much student offered scholarship, this much amount disbursed, 4,063 under served student empowered, 2,760 SC beneficiaries supported, 1,303 ST beneficiaries supported, and 50% seats reserved for the female student. So scholarship and eligibility. Eligibility criteria is the select the track and matches your journey. All tracks require a family income within the limit and minimum academic merit. View details on each. So there is a school student, undergraduate, postgraduate, and you have to go through the other details also, just like annual family income less than or equal to 3 lakhs. This one for the undergraduate 6 lakh. And there is a scholarship for the postgraduate, also 6 lakh. Medical scholarship award up to 2 lakh, and family income in within 6 lakh. Not more or equal to 6 lakh. IIT students also 6 lakh, they will get 2 lakh. IIM and CAT, MBA and CAT student, they will get 5 lakh, and there is a condition is there. So you have to go through all the details. If you click on this, you can find the detail here, more details here. So basic information, eligibility criteria in Indian national only, the academic percentage, currently pursuing holding the valid offer letter for the postgraduate higher program in QS top 200 universities. Qualified universities are there, list of the universities are there. Reservation 50% seat for women, 50% seat reserved for the men, and 25% reserved for the SC candidate, 25 reserved for the ST candidate, 5% reserved for person who benchmark disability PWBD. Documents are required: caste certificate, university offer letter, statement of purpose, English, this IELTS and TOEFL, QS the ranking proof, passport and visa, Aadhaar card, income certificate, and bank passbook prepared. So application process. So follow the simple step. Apply to SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2026 and click here to apply. So you have to go through the step, then log in to start application, access the application form, start application, fill the application form, upload the required documents, accept the term and condition, and submit the application. So prepare in advance for the document. So here academic records, they need identity proof such as the Aadhaar card, recent passport size photograph, financial document, and income, family income proof, income certificate, form 16 or salary slip or bank passbook, SBI preferred. So this one is the admission proof, personal document, additional document. So these are the required. So mark your calendar. So this is the application started from the July 22 2026, and application deadline in September 4 2026. Last date to submit your application. So there is a frequently asked question is there. You can go diploma student are eligible or not. No. Uh, will result announced. Result will be announced on the official website and will be sent to your registered email address. So like that, all the details you can find there. Frequently asked question, FAQs. Now, if you want to apply, then you have to click on this, and here is the apply now. So click the apply now, and you have to select. First, you create your account. If you are already account, then just go through the login. So create account. Here you name, first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, agree, and this one. First create account, then you have to go step by step process. Just we have discussed here this step. So login to start, then access the application, start the application, fill the application form, upload the document, accept term and conditions, submit the application. So this is the process. So SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2026. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation is intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.